Hi there, my name is Ksenia and I am the Chief Marketing Officer at Fenxi. Today I'm going to briefly tell you about our design boards as well as about working with us in general. So first of all, you will get access to the Notion page of your company, which can be easily shared to any of your colleagues just by copying the link. The Notion itself will include two main sections. The first one is Home, which will consist of important information such as instructions of how to use this Notion. Everything is super easy and clear. Second thing is a brand identity, which is the most important thing for our designers to make a high quality project for you, and also the design files. We can add more pages depending on your business. The second section is basically the task tracker of our project. So as you know, your subscription will include 10 main tasks as well as ability to add some tiny tasks. And having access to this Notion will allow you to always be updated about what is going on. When the first task is discussed, we are starting working on it. So it's going to the doing part, which means that our designers are already working. After that, it's going on a review part when you have a chance to take a look at your comments. And when everything is done, the project is going to the done part. The Notion will be used as a communication platform as well as a database, which is the good thing as we will always have access to all the important information, all the files, all the communication, and everything will be updated. So the communication will be also done by Notion. For example, when you want to start a new task or you have some comments, you have questions, just let us know by texting us inside and we will reply you as soon as possible. It means that all the communication will be here and we will be able to get back to the start at any point. You see, Max already replied us. So everything here is super easy, super clear. There is no need to spend a lot of time to understand how to use this Notion. And one more thing, if you want to send us some pictures, you can also do that here, or if you want to tell us something or show us something, you can make video as I'm doing now and send us the link. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.